Hello YouTube, this is the Omega A301 and today I'm going to show you how to set up and configure plugins for your Minecraft Bukkit 1.2.3 server. But before we get started, I would just like to let you know that we are hosting servers for great low prices and we will set up the plugins and permissions for you. If you're interested, just PM me and we'll work something out. So let's get started here. What you'll need to do is have your server folder open and go to a web browser of your choice and go to the Bukkit website. Okay, so once you're at the Bukkit website, click on forums up at the top, scroll down until you see get plugins, and for the sake of this video we will do a shop plugin. Chest Shop is a good shop plugin. We'll use that. It's 1.2.3 compatible. So when you go to a plugin page, you should first read if there's any incompatibility issues with any other plugins. And if there isn't, great, but if there is, just take note of what they are. The requirements, this one requires Craft Bukkit, and also any optional things such as permissions, blah blah blah, which we will be using in this video. And also maybe a little bit of troubleshooting and setup tutorial guides. So once we do that, we can go ahead and download the plugin. So we'll download it now. Go to the Bukkit dev page, click download here, click download, and then save it. And then once you've saved that, you can exit out these tabs. And now what we do here next is go into your plugins folder and go to where you saved your plugin, which is in this case Chest Shop. Now if the plugin saves as a RAR file instead of a jar file, what you're gonna have to do to fix that is just delete it and then re-download it, and when you save it, just make sure you add .jar at the end to force it to save as a jar file. So once you've done that, you just drag your plugin into your plugins folder, and we need to go ahead and run the server again so the plugin will create its folder. And once we've done that, we can go to this page here where the permission nodes are located, chestshop.shop.create, and it tells you what it does, and it allows the user with this permission node right here to create a shop. Okay, so I think this is done, so we can stop this. Alright, so we are using Group Manager for the sake of this video, so we go back into plugins, and we'll go into Group Manager, go into World, right click on Notepad or Groups, and use Notepad++ to edit the text documents here. I suggest Notepad because it is the best formatting tool over Notepad, the regular Notepad. Okay, so now what we'll cover first is basically how to read the different groups and the permissions, and basically, yeah, a breakdown of that. Okay, so these are groups. Default is the name of this group right here. It is the default group that people will be sent to when they first join the server. So since this is set to true, in permissions, these are all the permission nodes right here. The ones with the little dash right next to the permission, those cancel out that permission, not allowing the player within this group to use those particular commands with factions. But as you scroll down here some more, you see the ones that are like this. These are all permissions that this group can use, and now these are not tabs, these are actual spaces. You gotta press the space bar 4 times, and then once you do that, you put a little minus sign, a space, and then the permission node. And in this case, it would be chestshop.shop.create, and it is case sensitive, so just keep that in mind. You got to put the lower and upper case and all that stuff. So don't use tabs, otherwise you will break your permissions. Put spaces, chest shop dot shop dot create. Okay. Okay, and that's just an example of adding a permission manually or into the actual group file itself. And actually, before I close this out, I want to we're gonna get back to this in a second, you guys, but I want to just cover the rest of on how to read this. Okay. I'm actually gonna go to the let's see here. I'm gonna go down here to the staff. This is the staff group. Okay. So where it says inheritance here, staff is above VIP as far as ranks go. So when you put the inheritance as VIP, set like just like this, 4 spaces dash space VIP, it inherits all the permissions that are already listed here from the VIP group. So you don't have to retype all these permissions into the staff group. It'll inherit that automatically, and you can just type in the extra permissions you want the staff to have. And that's how inheritance basically works. It's a great time saver, so I suggest you use those. And okay, so info prefix, this is what will appear in front of your name in game to show your rank basically, and these are color codes. You can change those. I'm not going to go over that. You can Google that yourself. Build set to true. Yeah, they should be able to build since they are staff after all. And suffix is what comes after the name. Alright, so we kind of basically covered that really quickly. Hopefully you guys understand it. And yeah, so now that we added a permission in this way, I'll show you how to add a permission in game. So you can actually check to make sure it's working while you're playing. And alright, so let's see here. We'll go ahead and run the server here. And alright, let's see here. Hey Rainbow, do you wanna test this out with me? Yes, no, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
User was moved to your channel.
Alright, so get on to the test server, my private server. Okay. Alright, and what we'll do here is we will add this permission right here, chessshop.shop.buy, allows the user to buy from shops. And then we'll add this one, the sell command. And it's basically just this is how you do it basically. Alright, so we type in /man g add p, the group name, in this case default, and then the permission node itself, chest shop dot buy, and it'll say chest shop dot buy to group default permissions. Alright, and now we'll do the man g add p default chest dot buy dot sell, and we now they can sell, buy, and create a chest shop. And Rainbow, I'm gonna temporarily de-op you.
I already am.
Okay, and I'm gonna promote you down to.
Already am.
Okay, sounds good. Can you create a chess shop for me, please?
Yes.
You need a chest?
Yeah, and I need to sign.
Okay. You need one chest and one sign?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you some stuff to sell. Shop. You don't have enough money. How do I give myself money? Do I pay myself? Oh, okay. Um. Okay, I have enough money now. Yay! Yay! I bought money. I bought stuff. Okay. Cool. So that's basically it, you guys. This is the Chess Shop plugin, and that's how you add permissions and plugins into your server. Hopefully this has been informative, and hopefully you guys liked it. And also you can download my plugin pack. It's in the description. And thanks for watching. Thanks for both for your help. You've been a good guy.